what is happening here? This is not normal. Honey, ain't nobody trying to look pink like Peppa Pig up in here, okay?
Darcei!
Hello! Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My natural hair is making a special guest appearance in this video today. Today I have a very special video for you guys. After doing K-beauty reviews for about a year now, I have amassed quite a collection of Korean beauty. And in that collection of Korean beauty, Jesus. And in that collection of Korean beauty, there are a few items that are, subpar. I came to the conclusion that it would be quite an entertaining video if we decided to put them all on my face at once. So that's what we're doing today, okay? Today is a full face of K-beauty that I hate. First thing I'm gonna do is pin these bangs up, okay? I feel like Justin Bieber. I'm scheduled for a haircut next week, ladies and gentlemen. Don't you worry. Nice. Am I naked right now? You'll never know. So I'm gonna start with my base products as usual. And let me tell you guys, I tried to find a Korean primer that I did not like, but there's no such thing. So today we're using the VDL primer, like I always do. So we're gonna prime with something that I like, but I swear to God, everything else, I swear to God, everything else is trash, I swear. And by putting on a primer that I like, it just gives everything else a totally fair shot. Right? Am I right? I'm right. Maybe I'll revisit some things today and maybe it'll turn out that I like them now. Who knows? So for foundation today, I'm going to be taking this cushion right here. This is the Laneige cushion, and it is the BB Cushion Hydra Radiance one. So it's the illuminating one, and this is in number 37. That is my shade in Korean foundations most of the year. So this cushion is, I'm gonna apply the cushion first and then see if you guys can see what exactly is wrong with it. Here we go. Okay, ready? Ready? Oh, ready? It's fine. Totally fine. It's fine. In theory, this cushion is pretty good. You know, coverage, pretty nice. Makes your skin look really smooth, flawless, pretty good finish. All the makings of a really good cushion. My only issue with this cushion, as you might be able to tell right now, is that, hello, why is this side of my face pink? Almost kind of grayish, and then this side of my face is a beautiful gold, honey. Okay. What is it? What? Hello? What is happening here? This is not normal. Honey, ain't nobody trying to look pink like Peppa Pig up in here, okay? The foundation is way too pink. I'm very golden, so this is not for me. Compare this to my neck and my chest and the other side of my face, girl. No. Look at the tonal difference. I'm not pink, bitch. Who is this for? I know Koreans love to make super pink looking foundations so that it makes your skin look brighter. But once you get to the deep shades down here, hello, I look stupid. Can you make a golden undertone for this golden gal, please? I feel like I look sick. I look sick right now. Oh my God. I feel like I went from healthy looking skin to like on my deathbed. I look gray. Like I'm gonna place this on my beautiful golden chest so you can see the difference. Look, you guys can see the difference now, right? I'm gonna compare it to my Born This Way concealer that I use all the time. Holy shit. That is what my color looks like. I don't know what that is. Okay, so now that we look crazy in the face, we're gonna look even crazier by taking another beautiful Laneige product, which in theory has nothing wrong with it except the color. So despite them having a cushion range that goes all the way up to 37, their concealers only go up to 23. I like a bright under eye every once in a while, but damn! I'm also not a huge fan of cushion applicators for concealers. Oh my God, I opened this up and I'm like, why is it green? And then I remembered that I literally used this for Halloween makeup. Oh God, this is gonna be awful. Oh God. Hold on, let me clean this up. Make sure I get all the green off. Here we go. Last time I put on this concealer, I put on way too much, so I'm trying to go pretty light on the concealer today, and maybe it'll come out okay. It also has a really strong perfumey scent for like no reason. Like, why? I'm gonna take my beauty blender and start blending this out. See if I just put a little bit on, it's fine. It's okay. Very ghosty finish. Laneige for that natural ghosty finish. I literally used this as Halloween makeup last year. I needed a white base, pretty much a white base on me, so it worked very well. Okay, so we're gonna set this with some powder now, and I'm going to be using the Innisfree No Sebum Blur Powder. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. But once again, the color is just a little off. A lot of y'all seem to think that I bake my powder. I do not. I press it in immediately. I just do tend to apply a lot because I crease really badly usually, especially along my smile lines, because your girl is old, okay? I have wrinkles now, okay? Gotta hide those. So once again, this powder is not bad, but I could just use my Laura Mercier instead and not look like a ghost, so. See, at this point, the makeup is actually like passable. I can finesse it, you know? You can add some bronzer or whatever, but that's not what's gonna happen next because we got more products, honey. So next I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I did have an eyebrow pencil from Etude House, which I do not like, that I wanted to use, but unfortunately it literally fell apart. So today we're gonna be using this brow mascara. Who is this by? Idol brow mascara? Idol? I have no idea. It is like this reddish brown color, and basically when I put it in my eyebrows like disappear and I just have no eyebrows anymore. What is Yo, I look like Ron Weasley. Bloody hell. She really needs to sort out her priorities. This kind of looks cool, kind of avant-garde. Whoa, maybe we can work with this. Oh, man. The next lovely gem that I have here is the Play Color Eye Palette Leopard Runway by Etude House. This palette, while it looks beautiful, oh, wow, oh. While this palette looks beautiful, the color payoff is not that great. Let's just put this on. Zoom in here a little bit. Let's get right up in there. God, I sound like a tethered. Oh my god, my eyebrows. Oh god. So let's start off with one of the base colors, like this one right here. This should be a good base color. Oh my god, my eyelids are literally gray. You know what? The eyeshadow's actually showing up because my eyelids are so white. It's a Christmas miracle. Oh my god. This looks hideous. Oh my god, so if I want anything to show up on my eye from this palette, all I have to do is put on a white base. Hello. Why didn't I think of that earlier? So Darcei, this is a palette for people with white skin. Hello. I've been so stupid this whole time. I just have to look as white as possible first. Ya dum-dum. I think pale people are so underrepresented in the beauty community. They just really needed a palette like this one. Let's put on some sparkle. Let's do this one. I'm just gonna put it on my finger. Does that look pink to you? Isn't this like a pink? Where's the pink though? I'm confused. Very, very confused. I don't know what's going on right now. This just looks green. Why is it green? Oh god. Maybe let's try to put this one on top. Ah! Okay, that's pink. Why was the other one green? Oh my god. This is a disaster. This pink is really clashing lovely with my eyebrows. Oh god. This is the worst eyeshadow look I've ever seen. How do any of these colors go together? What? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, the shimmers are just so ugly. Okay, I'm putting some of the gold on top, this one, to maybe try and save it. Honestly, the gold does look a bit better. I can't stop staring at my eyebrows. Okay, I don't know. I give up. I don't. I'm gonna use some eyeliner and some mascara to see if we could kind of save this. So I'm going to be taking the 2-in-1 eyeliner from the Face Shop. It's like a liquid eyeliner on one side and a pencil on the other side. This eyeliner is nice. Like, eyeliner's eyeliner to me. Like, I haven't really found an eyeliner that's like complete trash. And I haven't really found a mascara that's complete trash either. So we're just gonna use whatever I have on hand. I will admit that this eyeliner is a little more difficult to work with and also tends to dry out faster than, like, say, my Stila eyeliner. For our mascara, I'm using the 2-in-1 volumizing mascara as well from the Face Shop. Now we're gonna do blush. For blush, I have these cushion blushes from VT Cosmetics. This is the BT21 collection, which is their collaboration with BTS. These blushes are something else, honey. So we have a few options here. Bright pink, brighter pink, orange, matches my eyebrows. Put a little bit of it on my finger. As you can see there, if it focuses, a little watery, just a tad. I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand so you guys can really see. So last time I made the mistake of putting this onto the cushion and then onto my face, and then it like took all my makeup off. So I'm gonna see if it works. If I just put it on with my fingers, maybe that should work. Okay, here we go. So if I don't use the cushion, less of my makeup comes off. Awesome. I have to put on 18 layers for it to show up, but that's okay. This is working out a lot better than last time. Wow. Just put on 18 layers. A lot of layers, guys. Real watery product. Just keep going. Just keep going. I can't tell if it's the blush or if it's because I'm slapping my face so hard. So see the cushion that it comes with? Throw it away. For highlighter, I'm going to be using a stick highlighter. This is a multi-stick, so I'm assuming you can use it in multiple ways, but today we're just using it as highlighter. Highlighting sticks are not my favorites just because they don't really go on well. Just like before with the blushes, I'm gonna apply with my finger and see if this works better, because when I apply the stick right to my face, it just wipes all my makeup off. This is what it looks like, by the way. It's super, super white. Okay. Blend it in a little bit. Is it working? Oh Lord. Is she hard to blend in, honey? Oh no. That's not blending in at all. Okay. I don't know how anyone blends these things. Well, not really blended over here, but what are you gonna do? That's life. And then finally, last but certainly not least, we have our lip color. And today we're gonna be using the Mad Matte Lip Tint from Clio. And this is in the color Peach Mousse. This lip tint is not... You guys hear that? Why is it so wet? I have never seen a lip tint that is this juicy. Like, what? What the hell? Why is it so watery like that? Anyway, so I'm gonna put this watery lip tint on my lip and let's see what happens. Also, it smells like cough syrup. Oh God, it's just the worst. I feel disrespected. If I try to blend it, it just goes everywhere, and now I look like a little kid that had too much juice. And then I'm gonna mist my face with the VDL Expert Radiance Mist, which is not a bad mist, but not my favorite, and the applicator kind of spits at you a little bit. This is the finished look. Let me tell you what I've learned from this video. I look good in anything. My eyebrows are kind of itchy, guys. Oh no. This was fun, but I think what we're gonna do is stick to the K-beauty that we like. So if you guys want to see me try K-beauty that I actually do enjoy, you can go watch my other videos. There's plenty of them. I got plenty of tutorials. I got plenty of videos for y'all to watch, for y'all to binge watch. So go ahead and do that. Are there any products in here that you actually... Okay, my eyebrow? Are you okay? Let me know if there are any products in here that I use that you actually love. That would be interesting to hear in the comments. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. Hopefully. I might be dying right now. My eyebrows are really itchy and my face looks like it's losing more and more color by the minute. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love ya so much.